Zilo is a proven hard-working task chair with intuitive adjustments. Its three-way adjustable arms move forward, back, side to side, and up and down with the press of a button. Zilo offers easy-to-use adjustments for seat depth, chair height, back tension, as well as a two-position back lock, upright and full recline. Zilo is also available in a stool option with an adjustable footrest. To adjust the height on the stool option, use the handle under the seat. The seat cover is easy to remove and machine washable. Both the stool and the task chair offer fixed loop or three-way adjustable arm styles.